morning all of you. Hydroxy compounds, alcohol, and in this video we are going to discuss the acidity of alcohol. You may have a doubt whether an aliphatic alcohol is acidic in nature. All are drinking ethyl alcohol, whether it is acidic in nature, that we are going to discuss here. Acidity of alcohol. We know Lowry-Cranstad concept. According to Lowry-Cranstad concept, an acid is one which donate a proton, and the acid strength is the tendency to give up a proton. Is the tendency to give up a proton. If more tendency to give up a proton means it is strong acid, more acidic in nature. Less tendency to give up a proton means it is weak acid. Generally, alcohols, aliphatic alcohols, not aromatic alcohol, aliphatic alcohols are weaker acidic. Compared with water, it is weakly acidic. Weakly acidic compared with water molecule H2O. It also containing H plus ion and OH minus ion. Except the first alcohol, methanol, all other alcohols are weaker acid than water molecule. The Ka, ionization constant of the acid for water molecule H2O is of the order 1.8 into 10 power minus 16, whereas for alcohols, generally alcohol indicate ethyl alcohol, the Ka value is in the order of 10 power minus 18 to 10 power minus 16. Weakly acidic in nature. 10 power minus value increases, that is a very low value. If Ka value decreases, it is weaker acid. For strong acid, has high Ka value. Alcohols like acid, inorganic acid, alcohols react with the active metals. For example, ethyl alcohol CH3, CH2OH, ethyl alcohol, when react with the metallic sodium or aluminum, liberate hydrogen, like HCl undergo reaction with the metallic zinc. This one hydrogen is displaced by sodium. That hydrogen is liberated as H2, gives CH3, CH2, ONA. Like carboxylic acid, when treated with the sodium and sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium salt. This is sodium salt of ethyl alcohol. Nothing but sodium 2 carbon eth, oxygen is attached to metal also called oxide, sodium ethoxide, with the liberation of H2. This is a similar reaction of inorganic acid, but aliphatic alcohol, not aromatic alcohol, aliphatic alcohol not at all undergo reaction with a strong base called sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. That indicate that alcohols are weakly acidic in nature. The acidic nature of alcohol is explained by using the polar nature of OH group. Is due to the only the polar nature of oxygen hydrogen bond. That means when an electron withdrawing group also called minus I group, for example Cl, NO2, F, these group are attached to carbon bearing OH group. For example, I take one example of methyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol. CH2,1Cl is attached to OH bearing carbon atom. OH bearing carbon atom. This is electron withdrawing. So, the electron withdrawing group withdraw the electron density towards itself, facilitating the proton donation. Finally, remember, electron withdrawing group increases the acidic strength of alcohol. This is monochloroethanol, methanol. This chlorine is electron withdrawing group. It withdraws the electron and facilitating the proton donation, therefore acidity increases. On the other hand, if alkyl groups are attached, now I enter into the comparison of acidic nature of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. If electron releasing group plus I group is attached to carbon bearing, OH bearing carbon atom plus I group. What are that example? Alkyl group. They are electron releasing. In primary alcohol, only one alkyl methyl is attached to CH2 carbon atom. Now, methyl group is electron releasing. That electron releasing group pull the electron, push the electron towards oxygen, thereby decreasing the electron density on oxygen. Polar nature of OH bond is decreases. It results decrease in acidity. Acidity decreases. One methyl is attached to OH bearing carbon atom. This is primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. If two methyl group are attached to the OH bearing carbon atom, CH3, two methyl group are attached to OH bearing carbon atom. These two are electron releasing. These two methyl group push the pair of electron towards the carbon atom and oxygen and hydrogen. It also decreases the polarity of oxygen, electron density of oxygen. Again, the proton donating properties decreases. It is an example of secondary alcohol, less acidic than primary alcohol. If three electron releasing alkyl group, methyl group are attached to the OH bearing carbon atom, nothing but a tertiary alcohol, all the methyl group push the shared pair of electron towards oxygen, which result the decrease in polarity of oxygen atom, the decrease in proton donating tendency. Compared with all, tertiary alcohol is weakly acidic. The acidic nature of primary alcohol is greater than secondary alcohol, which in turn greater than tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol is poor acidic in nature because of the electron releasing methyl group, which decreases the polarity of OH bond. And now, so far we discussed the acidic nature of alcohol. One more point, that is, alcohols can also act as Lowry-Bronsted-Lewis base. That means, ethyl alcohol, now write the molecular formula, CH3, CH2, OH. Ethyl alcohol. We know there are two lone pair of electron on oxygen atom. When treated with water molecule H plus OH minus. When you study the mechanism of alcohol, esterification and etc., what happens in the first step? Oxygen donate a pair of electron to H plus. Mostly in first step of the mechanism, if oxygen is involved, in the first step oxygen donate a pair of electron to hydrogen. So, act as a base, donation of a pair of electron, Lewis base, gives CH3, CH2, O, here one hydrogen, one pair of electron, another pair of electron is donated to hydrogen of water molecule and giving OH minus. This is acidity of aliphatic alcohol. In the next video, we are going to discuss the acidity of phenol. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.